Let's learn how to quit agency on Lollipop Live app. Hello, welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to quit agency on Lollipop Live app. There are actually two ways to get this done. So the first way is to go to your message option. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the friends option and search for your admin on your Lollipop Live app. When you search for your admin, you have to send a polite request to that person requesting that you want to quit the agency, and I believe the person is online. He or she will give you a reply to say if they will confirm if you want to quit you from your agency or refuse not to quit you from your agency. But if that did not work for you, if they refuse to quit you from your agency, the next thing you can do in order to quit yourself from Lollipop Live is to click on your profile option. So right here on my profile option, all you have to do is to click on the feedback option. So right here, all you have to do is to type in your problem. Make a request to Lollipop customer service that you want to quit agency on Lollipop, and also upload a screenshot of your agency admin profile. Make sure you add your name on your request and also your agency code, so that it will be easy to trace your agency admin and Lollipop will know how to handle the issue from there. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to quit agency even when your admin refuse quitting you on agency on Lollipop. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.